Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I'm going to do a product overview for you guys on the Napoleon. This is the Altitude, the X42 model. The Altitude is going to be available in various sizes, so again this is the 42-inch model. I love this model because it's pretty large, nice big, nice tall viewing area. It really adds a lot to like a nice great room, or if you have very tall ceilings, it would really add a lot to your room. So this is going to be shown with the reflective black panels. That is kind of a more contemporary style. You could do stacked or herringbone brick patterns as well if you wanted to change that out. I really do like the enamel porcelain reflective panels because it really adds a lot of dimension to the flame. You can see it reflecting off the back and the sides. Now again, this model does have a safety screen on it, but it's not super visible as you can see with the unit burning. You do have different faceplate options. This unit is pretty much a clean face. You don't have a lot, you don't have any louvers or anything like that, but the front can be changed and can also be available in different colors. So I hope you guys found this product overview helpful. Again, this is the Napoleon. This is the Altitude, the X42 model. So don't forget to give our videos a thumbs up if you like them, if you enjoy them, if you're learning something. Share them on the internet with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless and have a wonderful day.